Hello everybody, today I'm going to make corn cheese and we need 1 can of canned corn, 1/6 of an onion, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, I'm using some kind of other cheese as well, 1 tablespoon of stick butter, and a bit of pepper and parsley. So first, I'm going to drain the canned corn. Drain the canned corn. Wash it with water once and squeeze it. Chop the onion finely. I mean, you can use something like a food processor or a mixer, but I'm just going to use this. You have to cut it really finely because that little thing makes the paste. Mix these all together. So first, the drained corn and chopped onions. And the mayonnaise. And the brown sugar. Add a little bit of black pepper, only a little bit, and to mix them all together with a spoon. I think that's enough. And before you put the mixture in the bowl, spread a little bit of butter on the bowl like this. Just dunk the butter in here and pour these in. Pour these on top of the remaining butter. Spread it evenly like this. Add the cheese. Sprinkle the cheese. I think that's enough. Put the corn cheese in an oven and cook for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. You can also use an air fryer or a microwave. Once the mozzarella cheese is completely melted and turned golden, remove it from the oven. You can see it has turned golden. Wow, it smells really good. And last, sprinkle some parsley on top to finish. And this was a video about how to make corn cheese. Bye bye.